Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to wish everyone a happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, both living and the ones that have passed. So what's really important on Father's Day for me is just getting an extra I love you and an extra hug from my kids and my wife. That's really what it is about, is being recognized as a dad and being there as a dad. But once in a while we do give a small a gift to each other on Mother's Day and Father's Day. And I want to show you what my kids got me this year. I got this really cool set. We'll take a look at this in a minute, but it's a Celt set. It's for like hot dogs and marshmallows to roast. And we'll take a closer look. And I also, near and dear to my heart, got a Death Star beach ball for the pool. Now in this Celt setup, it's actually pretty cool. You get a set of these, basically these utensils to go ahead and roast marshmallows and hot dogs. And what's really neat is these ends come off, and this is where you put your hot dog or your marshmallow, and then they telescope out. Very cool. So over the campfire, live action. We'll definitely take a closer look at these on the channel once I get a fire going, and we can mess around with these. But again, just a small gift. It's the thought that counts. And as I said before, really don't need a gift at all. But when you do get a gift, I'm very grateful. So I want to take a closer look at the beach ball here. We'll get this blown up, and it actually lights up. So that's kind of cool. I can feel it has, oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see that. So being a pretty big Star Wars fan, I'm always appreciative of getting something in the Star Wars lineup. All right, Ted's giving it a spin.
That's no moon. It's a space station.
All right, give it a toss, Ted. In the pool. Alright guys, just want to wish everyone a happy Father's Day again. Again, it's not about the gifts here, it's just about spending time with my family. And but if you are interested in these two particular items, I'll leave links below on Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and they're just kind of cool to have. So thanks for watching. Happy Father's Day. Have a great day.